Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace a front exterior door handle on Hyundai Sonata 2005 to 2010 generation. Stay with us. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. So in order to remove the exterior door handle on the front door guys, you need to remove that cap now, okay, right here. We have quite a few videos on that Sonata, so make sure to check it out. Now we have an 8mm bolt, okay, right there, 8mm socket, so we'll just go in an angle like that and get it loose, okay. I think you just, well, let's see, I think you only need to get it loose. Yep, you don't need to remove it, but yes, you do need to remove it. It's been a while since we worked on one, and you can go ahead and remove the lock cylinder now. Okay, that's how you get it out. Okay, so the lock cylinder is out. Now you need to pull the handle towards the back, okay, like that. Get the front end out and pull the rest of the handle like that. So you can see, not very complicated procedure. We'll show you how to install it in just a minute. So when you're ready to install it, all you need to do, get this one in, okay. You need to make sure everything's in good, and then you need to slide towards the front. You need to install the lock cylinder here. Okay, just goes like that. And install the bolt. So, pretty simple guys, right? Not very complicated at all. So that will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.